There are three C: criticize, compare, and complain. The three C are very important in our life. We should not ourselves compare with anybody. And it is our moral duty. We should not criticize anybody in our life. And third is very important, complain. We should not have any complaint with any work with anybody. Whatever we have, it must be granted as it is. So we must follow 3C in our life, so our life will be useful and fruitful.